Hello, I am Mehar Chand and working at the Department of Mathematics, Faculty of Computational and Mathematical Science, Baba Farid College, Bathinda. I have more than 12 years experience of computing with MATLAB, Mathematica, R and Python. Computing by using any software play a very important role in the development of science and technology. In this course, we are using Python for computing mathematics, and thanks to show your interest in this course on Python for symbolic mathematics and its applications. Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with the dynamic semantic. It's a high-level built-in data structure combined with the dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for the use as scripting to the connect existing component together. Python's simple, easy-to-learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python support modules and packages which encourages program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source or the binary form without charge for all the major platforms and can be freely distributed. The main objective of this course is to provide a comprehensive overview of symbolic mathematics and computing with Python and its applications in engineering, science, and mathematics. Course content include basic Python, basic data structure, functions, iteration, representation of number, symbolic mathematics, linear algebra and system of linear equations, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, least square regression, interpolation, Taylor series, ordinary differential equation on initial value problems, boundary value problems for ordinary differential equation, and optimization techniques. All these topics are divided into subtopic and all the topic will be covered with the recording lectures. Each lecture will vary from 10 to 30 minutes approximately. And along with we will provide all the supportive content which will be presented during the lecture. You can download for your use. There will be several assignments associated with each topic which is mandatory, and at the end there will be online test. You will have 5 attempts to qualify it. After completion this course, a certificate will be provided, and I hope you will have a large experience and on hand by using this platform, and this course will be very informative, very useful for your career. Thank you to joining this course.